Hello friends, welcome back to my video. Here is a 3 minutes conversation between two friends, Rohan and Aryan, on the topic of New Year's resolutions and reflections. Rohan, hey Aryan, can you believe another year has passed? Aryan, I know. It feels like just yesterday we were making New Year's resolutions. Rohan, exactly. And now it's time to reflect on the past year. What did you learn about yourself? Aryan, for me, it was embracing imperfection. I used to be a perfectionist, but I realized that it's okay to make mistakes. Rohan, that's a great lesson. I learned the importance of gratitude. Focusing on what I have rather than what I don't have has really shifted my perspective. Aryan, that's beautiful. Gratitude can be so powerful. What are your resolutions for the upcoming year? Rohan, I want to prioritize self care and take more time for myself. How about you? Aryan, I want to be more present in the moment and let go of worries about the future or past. Rohan, I love that. Being present can be so liberating. Aryan, absolutely. And I think it's essential to have meaningful relationship in our lives. People who support and encourage us. Rohan, couldn't agree more. Having good friends like you has made a huge difference in my life. Aryan, likewise, Rohan. Here is to another year of growth, learning, and meaningful connections. Rohan, cheers to that. Both friends clink their cups together in a toast. This conversation is approximately 3 minutes long and covers meaningful topics such as self reflections, personal growth, gratitude, and the importance of relationships. Here are the morals that can be derived from the conversation. Self-reflection is key to growth. The conversation highlighting the importance of reflecting on the past year to learn and grow. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel.